Okay, it's time for me to harvest some of these jalapeno peppers. Look how big you guys are. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and harvest a few of you guys. That'll help the rest of you guys to continue to grow. Many more. Look at the flowers on that one. Another pepper getting ready to come. Okay, my tomato plants are looking better. I pruned some of the dead leaves off and cut the ones that was down on the ground. Gave it a lot better airflow in here. And look at that. I see a tomato growing there. Come on, tomato. Got a lot of blooms on it. Okay. Did the same for this one back here. Okay, tomato plant. We got better airflow flowing through you guys. And none touching the ground. And a lot of blooms. I see you. Cut off a lot of the suckers as well. So let's see if we're gonna get some big tomato plants. Some big tomatoes to grow here. Look at that. Okay. This is my Roma tomatoes here. See if I'm gonna get anything with them soon. This is my Creole tomatoes. Come on, Creole tomatoes. A lot of nice blooms. Got me a handful of jalapeno peppers harvest today. They look nice. It's gonna spice up the meal good. Jalapeno peppers grown in Big Mama's garden. Yes.